Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor sheet metal commands. So let's get started. Here go to new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we will select the XZ plane, rotate the view. This will be the top view. Here we will go to the rectangle command, take 2 points, enter rectangle, select the center point and make a rectangle here. Go to dimension. The width here will be of 100 mm and height also 100 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Here take the face command, so it will generate a sheet metal. Press OK. Now we'll define the sheet metal thickness. So go to sheet metal defaults, uncheck this, and here we'll take a thickness of 1.5 mm and apply. You can say the change, exit. Now here take the flange command and here we'll take a flange height of 30 mm. Go to more settings. From here we will take width. Okay. Select this, go to edge selection, select this, and here we will take a width of 20 mm. Okay. We have selected the lower edge, so it is going down. Click on apply. We'll remain with the same settings and select this top edge. So this will go up. Okay, the distance of flange will be 30 and the width will be 20. Apply. Okay. Now exit. Now here go to corner round. Take a radius here of 10 mm. Go to corner selection. Select this corner, select this corner, select this and select this. Press OK. Now here go to flange command. Select this top edge and select this top edge. Here we are going to take a flange height of 35 mm. Okay, and press apply. Now select this outer edge and select this outer edge. Here we are going to take a distance of 20 mm and press OK. We'll select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command. We'll drag the cursor on this, select the center point, make a circle of diameter 7.5 mm. Similarly here, select the center point 7.5 mm. Finish sketch. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select both the circles. Here we will click on cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take the rectangle command and take 2 points, enter rectangle. Here we will click on construction. So the profile will be made in construction lines. Select this mid plane, select here, go to dimension, define this as 75 mm. Okay. Go to vertical constraint, select this point and here select the center point. The yellow point will be the center point. This is fully constrained. Now finish sketch. Now here take the hole command and we are going to take a simple hole and no seat. Okay, this will be a through hole and the dia of hole will be 5 mm. Okay, select this point, select this, select here and select here. Press OK. So these are the hole profiles. Now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, go to rectangle command once again and take a polygon command. Select this center point and make a polygon here. Go to dimension, define the width here as 35 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select this. It is fully constrained. Now finish sketch. Here go to sheet metal, take cut command. So it will select the profile automatically. It will cut up to thickness and press OK. Okay, go to home. Now here we'll define the appearance. So here we will take canary, you can take for yellow. Okay. Now if you want the flat pattern, so click on create flat pattern. So it will generate the flat pattern. Now go back to the folded part. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor sheet metal. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.